Hello guys, good evening. Today I am sick. My voice is not good. I have fever, I have a flu, I have headache. But this evening I'm going to my friend to take the birds because I bought two birds like a parrot. So today I'm going to take my birds and to bring to my home. It is not far from my home to my friend home, just by foot 10 minutes. So today I'm going to take my birds and to bring to my house. Yeah, I like the birds. When I was 7 years, 15 years, yeah, I keep the birds at home. I have pigeon. I have different kind of birds. I have ducks. I have chickens. I have pigeon and small, very small birds. Yeah, it is my hobby also to keep birds in my home. Yeah, but still, I love birds. I think it is here now, this place. Let me make klingen. Here someone call there's a Kaiser here, yes. It's Kaiser. Okay. Hallo, guten Tag. I will cut. I'll remove no problem. Monsieur?
Ja, mach aus. Kamera.
Hello, my friend. Today I am in my friend's house. I want to take these birds today to bring to my home. Yeah, I like birds. When I was young, 15, 17, I keep birds in my home, like a pigeon, like ducks, like a chicken, and different kinds of birds. So today I bought these birds and I will bring to my home. Hi guys, today you at a new house. Today you go new house. Okay, let house in this. Today you're gonna live a new house. Today you're gonna live a new house. My auto is very dirty. I have to clean the auto. Yeah, this cage, bird cage, they make my auto dirty. I have to clean after. Hello, my birds. You are in the new owner today. From today, you will live in Otto Strasse 4, in Otto Street 3 from today. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. It's April 2023. You have a new house today. You will live in the new house. And this is new house, your new house. Welcome to my kingdom now. Okay? I wish you a good life in Otto Street 4. In Eschwege City. Yeah. Looking not happy, not playing, but after 1 week, you will be okay. Haya, wale wa Kiswanglish, nimenunua ndege bwana, nimenunua ndege hawa wenye asili ya kama kasuku, si kasuku lakini kama kasuku ukiwaona. Nimewanunua hawa na leo ndo wako home hapa, nimewaleta. Kwa hiyo nimewatoa kwenye makazi yao ya zamani, nimewaleta kwenye makazi mapya. Kwa hiyo ndege feel at home, Kwa hiyo wanatakiwa ndege wa feel kama wako nyumbani. Please my birds feel at home. Ingawaje ni sehemu mpya kwenu, lakini na hivyo bwana. Huko nilikuwa chukua wameishi miaka mitatu huko. Nilikuwa nunua ndani kama hivi miaka mitatu, lakini naweza kuwafungulia, unafunga madirisha, unafungulia, wanaruka huko, wanazunguka alafu wanarudi wenyewe kwenye cage. Sometimes you can open the cage, they will go out, they will run here in the room, in the sitting room, flying around the sitting room, and then themselves go back to the cage. I buy everything, food, water, everything. I get a little bit lesson how to keep these birds. They teach me how to clean the cage, how to give food, how to give water, how to give water for bath, how to give water for drinking, how to give medicine, everything they teach me. So don't worry, you'll be okay here. Ndege makazi mapya. Ndege makazi mapya. Manchester United vs Nottingham Forest. Ndege makazi mapya. Ndege makazi mapya. Manchester United 1. Washakula sasa hivi. They have already eaten. Just a few minutes. Now they make pause.